When you finally start to prioritize yourself, be prepared to lose a lot of people. Magkakaroon ng disconnect, magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago, and papasok yung guilt kasi masasabihan ka na nagbago ka na. And you don't need to explain yourself to these people kung talagang sinusuportahan ka nila, kung talagang totoo sila sa iyo, at kung nakikita nila na yung pagbabagong yan brought so many good things sa iyo, so suportahan ka nila. These are the people na genuinely gustong maging masaya ka. Gusto mong ma-prioritize ang sarili mo, bitawan mo yung desire of wanting to be loved, wanting to be acknowledged, wanting to be seen by everyone. Cliché man sabihin yung kilalanin mo muna yung sarili mo, but that's really it. Get to know yourself better. And it's a lifelong journey of trying to understand yourself. It's about time na prioritize mo naman yung sarili mo.